New Age Medical Spa is unique. It's the first of its kind in the country.
New Age Medical Spa is an exciting new development in the region.
A lot of thought has gone into the preparation of the building and the staff.
It's very, very forward-thinking in its field.
The reason New Age Medical Spa is unique is that it brings all of the 5 elements of self-improvement together under one city centre location.
People coming into the centre are able to benefit from a very, very wide range of different treatments.
When our patients walk through the door at New Age Medical Spa, they have the confidence that they will be provided with a fantastic service.
As part of the planning process, I spent a lot of time in America trying to source the right cosmeceuticals and the right equipment. And we have sourced that very successfully.
So the result of all that is that we're getting cutting-edge equipment from around the world, and we're bringing it here to the North East to New Age Medical Spa.
Cosmetic surgery provides an opportunity for people to enhance their appearance. And some people also like an opportunity to correct the aging process and go through something that will involve rejuvenation, particularly the face, for example, their eyes, their brow, and it ultimately gives them more self-esteem, more confidence, and makes them feel better about themselves. At New Age, we listen to all the patients' concerns sympathetically and have a very empathic approach to the patient. The great advantage of New Age is that for the post-operative care, the clinic and the surgeons are all based locally and are readily available should the patient have any concerns.
They're very cutting edge in their approach, and they're the first in the North East to introduce some of the newer forms of laser treatment. What we're doing with lasers is classed as non-invasive surgery. It means that we're not using a scalpel, we're not cutting, we're causing change in the skin without damaging the skin. So it's a much more subtle and gentle approach. New Age Medical and ABC Lasers have developed a partnership working together to bring some of the newest technology from around the world. It's one of the first in the North East to introduce the Soprano, the pain-free hair removal laser that's very, very new to the market. And it's also the first in the North East with the Pixel, which is a fantastic new fractional laser for resurfacing, treating wrinkles, fine lines and acne scarring.
Cosmetic dentistry is probably the most widely publicised and popular area of dentistry. We're mainly concerned with the basic appearance of the teeth and in the way that that affects the way the patient speaks and smiles. We have an experienced and highly qualified dental team that can select from a number of techniques, cutting edge or basic treatments to deliver exactly what it is that the patient's looking for. By taking the time we have available at New Age Medical Spa to discuss with the patient how they feel about their teeth and their overall appearance, we can see what kind of person they are and understand what kind of dentistry, what kind of smile and look they want.
I think one of the most unique things about the medical spa is the fact that we do this anti-aging program. So you start with the inside of your body, because it's no good really working on the outside if inside you're not in good condition. I did a lot of research mainly in America, and I used to go around visiting anti-aging clinics, and I met a lot of anti-aging doctors and their patients. And I've got to say, some of these patients were absolutely amazing. These are people into the late 70s, still having very, very productive lives, good sex lives, and running big companies. You know, they just don't slow down. What you have to do at New Age Medical Spa is book in for a health screen. There's various levels of health screening. It's very, very thorough. They check your bloods, they check vitamin levels and hormone levels, and check your biological age against your chronological age. The specialist doctor can then prepare a health plan for you. It's really trying to improve the quality of your life.
Cosmeceuticals are a combination of pharmaceutical and cosmetic preparations which we use within New Age Medical Spa. We researched the different cosmeceutical brands from all around the world and decided upon the three that we now have at New Age Medical Spa. We have Aesthetic Care, which is fantastic for pre and post-operative care. We have Remergent, which is fantastic for a client or a patient that has severe sun damage, and our final cosmeceutical brand that we chose was DermaQuest, as that runs alongside the treatments that we provide. The benefits from cosmeceuticals are they have a much longer lasting effect on the skin. They don't just work superficially on the epidermis, they work deeper into the dermis.
At New Age Medical Spa, we're not overpriced, we're very competitive. What we offer is a much better service and a much better surrounding, but we don't charge any more money for it. The prices are really competitive. And if people do want to spread payments, we have our own financial services.
New Age Medical Spa is a unique venture, and a lot of time and effort's gone into thinking about the presentation of the building and the collating of the staff.
We selected the staff very carefully. It took a long time, and we wanted people who were really grounded and empathetic. We didn't want a clinic full of perfect 10s. We just wanted normal people who could empathise with people.
New Age Medical are registered with the Healthcare Commission, and that in itself gives people a lot of confidence when they're looking for somewhere to go to have these treatments.
I think it's about making the most of yourself. You are what you are, but you can always make yourself better. And what we want to encourage at New Age Medical Spa is that people come and just maximise their life and be the best it can be.
The New Age Medical Spa provides accessibility to cosmetic and anti-aging processes to everyone.